Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. So, it's Tuesday morning. I normally start recording what I got done for the week, but it's also April 1st. So it's also time for Stash Down 2025 that is hosted by Bridget over at Queen's Craft by Bridget. So, also stay till the end because we adopted two new kittens, a year old. They are female siblings, so we were going to get initially a cat. End up adopting the sisters' two cats, and I gotta say the only way we could tell them apart is the collar they're wearing. They just look like identical cats. I just have yet to find anything that differentiates the two other than maybe after a while we'll get to know them better. You know how they act and attitude, we might figure it out after a while, but anyway, still stay till the end. Or no, I might have a couple of pictures now, but stay till the end. I took some videos. Plus I already have a short video out too, so you can go back and check that out. So, and also, you noticed last month I was having issues with my digital scale, which was many, many years old, so new one from Amazon. And this one, you hear multiple clickings because it doesn't only just do grams and ounces, but it does, okay, so that's ounces, and then they got milliliters, and then they have fluid ounces. So it's called, we can measure liquid ingredients. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started, and let's get started on the new projects that you're probably going to see for the first time because I just got them done before the end of the month. This one is a small hat. This is based off a bot hat for Bot Hat Palooza that is hosted by Laura over at Mimi's Crochet and Farming. It didn't even, I thought I had done 72 stitches. If you remember, I had a scalloped hat, or a hat. I had frogged it to do this hat. And I think I was supposed to do one more of these, but I didn't. It's definitely a very small hat. And yeah, and this is done off the Simply Soft yarn. Very cute. Oh, and it's still on. Okay, I might have to tear it again because it says 13 grams with nothing on it. It's like, no. Okay. 0 grams. It's on grams right now, so it is, 48 grams. And it's 1.7 ounces. So that is this hat. That is new. What also is new, I had finished, I'm going to take out this, got this extra yarn in it. I finished this basket of the colors on this basket. It doesn't stand up. It's almost like a bag. So I don't have the yarn. The yarn was from Temu. I saw the colors, but it's definitely more of a basket purse. Probably could use it for a very sturdy dishcloth I would use in the kitchen. But, yeah, the colors, I love the colors. So, hey, the scale is still on. Right now, the scale is on ounces, so it is 9.8 ounces. And milliliters, fluid ounces, or 278 grams for this basket. Alright, what else is new? Oh! Okay, I probably would have done another red and yellow row, but I ran out of red. So yeah, this is where it was. This, oh, it's backwards. Prompted by a video I saw that you're putting buttons together, and I'm like, I have a crap load of buttons. Let's try it. So I got buttons on the bottom, and it's a mug rug because things we're making Thursday for the month of March was making, mug rug This is, I have to look to see what was April's. I don't know what April's is. So it's on grams. It's not very, it's very light. It's only 9 grams. I bet you most of that weight's coming from the buttons. Nope. 0.3 ounces. So that is that. I think the last thing I got done this past week, yeah, I know it was on the, just for the heck of it, put a piece of scrap yarn on the knitting machine. And it's, yeah, it looks like a pumpkin. It just, even though we're nowhere near that season. It's a pumpkin without a stem. So, or a ball. It's got the ridges like a pumpkin. And it has scrap yarn in it for stuffing. Oh, that's on fluid ounces. Okay. That is 33 grams. I wonder if I had measured. Hey, the last one I did in, as soon as I figured out what I did with it, I might have measured this in fluid ounces. But yeah, it's 9 grams. 9 grams. So that ball is 32 grams. Clack. Click. Ounces. No, okay, I just overshot. Okay. It is 1.2 ounces. Alright, now we're getting into stuff you probably have all seen before. I think I just done last week. This is a bag of day hat. I made, this is the, it's, I know the yarn is Michael's, from Michael's. It's the one of the Michael's Loops and Thread brands. So, and that is also a bag of day hat pattern. That is 4.3 ounces. 120 grams. Then I got, oh, I started to make a fidget toy, and then for some odd reason I decided to put a head on it. It's like, make it a cute fidget type toy. I mean, that is 32 grams. Or 1.1 ounces. Alright. This, I just did a tutorial on this. That's what this is. It is the fan, you know, it looked like fans or scallop scarf. Perfect for a 50-ounce ball if you got it. Which I think I just used yarn from Temu for this. Like a nice quick project. So that is 1.7 ounces. Of course, it was a 50-gram ball, so that was almost, it reads at 48 grams. That. Alright, so yeah, this is, it was another mug rug idea. I had a circle and did a hyperbolic edge on that. I like that. That is cute. Alright, so that is, yeah, 42 grams. Or 1.5 ounces. That. Oh yeah, this is a basket that I started, had some plastic. It's not yarn, but plastic yarn. It didn't finish. We'll just call it plastic yarn for now. I think it's used for other crafting projects. And I did finish it up with some actual scrap yarn to make this bowl. Weighs heavier, obviously. It is 4 ounces. 419 grams. So that is this bowl. I think I was going to actually use this and actually store all my extra mug rugs or coasters in this. Hey, what? Oh. Oh yeah, a whole bunch of, I think I'll probably weigh all these together because we can. I'm like, these are all fidget toys. Some of them were knitted. These were the knitted. Oh, I just dropped one. Oh, just dropped one. I don't know where you went. Oh, there it is. Yeah, some of these I was experimenting with some knitted. Like some of these fidget hyperbolic balls are knitted. Is this one knitted? No, this might be a crocheted or, yeah, I think there might be a crochet one. Yeah, almost all these were knitted. We were experimenting with it. Oh, I had another one. I don't know if you've seen this one because it was my first one, knitted one, and it just, so I was going to weigh all these together. Well, they all don't sit on there. I just dropped one. So I reached 23 grams. I dropped one, so maybe it might be closer to 30 grams. It's like 0.8 ounces, maybe an ounce for all these. That's all those. All right. Oh, I have another. This was a Bag O' Day hat pattern. I like this hat. It's big and it's light. It's cute. It's cute. This was, I think I got the yarn from Michael's, and this is like the air. It's like really fluffy. It doesn't frog well. It is soft. I think I might still have some of this left in my stash. Alright, that is 1.7 ounces. Oh, almost at 48 grams. That's how light this hat is. I think you most likely get hats that light because here's another hat. Also, so almost all these hats are Bag O' Day hats. Or Bag O' Day hat patterns. Brown Bot Hatpalooza. Yeah, that's almost twice its weight. That's 80 grams. Or 2.8 ounces. So that's this hat. Let's see this. Oh, I'm gonna do. Oh, found another fidget one I could have thrown in that one. Because it's barely reading anything on the ounces. It's like 0.2 ounces. Or like, it's 4 grams.
Oh, turn the light on. They know you're filming them now. Why is she so fascinated with your foot?
I don't know. Oh, don't ruin them. Don't ruin my pants. Oh my God, don't ruin my pants.
Hey, what are you doing?
And this is, yeah, actually I have a tutorial on this too, I believe. It is Chevron Mug Rug. I did a bunch of these, but this is one of them that I did with the yarn I already had. That would be for stash down. So that's this one. That is 16 grams. Oh. No. Okay, it's 15 grams. Hold on. 0.6 ounces. So there's that. And I think the big project is this poncho. Got this poncho done. And hopefully I can get it on the scale. I got that done. Might wear the poncho. It's like, what? Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be hard to do. Yeah, this is. I gotta fold it really tight to get it on there. So let's see if I can get you folded so I can get you on the scale. All right, it's reading 13 ounces, but it's not all on the scale. But oh, well, it might be 13, 14 ounces. About 400 grams. Oh. But this was the last one, so make sure you stay because I'm going to throw some cat videos in here, pictures of my cat. I might have actually thrown cat pictures throughout this video, so stay tuned for looking at my cute little cats. So if you did like this video, please get a like. See more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.